Hello and welcome to some more pack openings for Magic the Gathering. Today we have the Secrets of Strixhaven Collect Boosters. So we have two of these. So we will get into them and see whether we get some really good cards. I know they're all going to be pretty, so hopefully we'll get some really nice full art, which would be nice. So we do have Secrets of Strixhaven art series, so that's nice to know. So we have Ascendant Dust Speaker, Mindful Biomancer, let's Ula Annie Shopcleep, Forum of Amenity, nice. Quillblade Laureate, Old Growth Educator, Soaring Stone Glider, a Japanese full art. Ooh, I have to do some research into that one. Helping Hand, a Island, Stirring Hope Singer, Inspired Sky Painter, Magma Blood Archaic, another Japanese full art, Consolator's Duelist, and then this is the art series one. That is pretty. That's the first pack. Really good cards. A couple of the Japanese ones which I have to do some research in because I can't read Japanese. So that's the only reason I have to do research into them. Rapier Wit. Go there. Elemental Mascot. Let's move these over there. Rearing Embermane. Procrastinate. Tablet of Discovery. Fractal Anomaly. Proctor's Gaze, another full art Japanese, cool, and so is that one. A full art Swamp, Still the Show, Leitmotif Composer, Pensive Professor, Wings of Abaddon, Professor Delian Fell, Legendary Planeswalker, and a token of a Fungus Beast and a Goat. Some really good cards. So they are the collector. These are the ones from the collector's pack. There is another 6 packs coming, which I will do in 2 sets of 3. But they are the normal play boosters, so look forward to them. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will catch you all on the flip side. See you later.